Welcome back to the channel. Want to add your own photos to a Canva video project? Canva Mobile allows you to import photos from your device gallery and add them directly to your video timeline. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add photos from gallery in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Open an existing video project or choose a project from your designs. Once the video editor opens, go to the end of your video timeline. Tap the plus icon. A menu will appear. Choose Gallery. Your device gallery will open. Select the photo you want to add. Canva will import the photo and add it to your video timeline. You can adjust the photo position, size and duration based on your project. Once you are finished, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to add photos from gallery in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.